Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful shell stitch coaster. I am using a 4mm crochet hook for my project and a 3-ply yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain. Start the first round, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook again, then draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Make another double crochet stitch into the ring, then again make a double crochet stitch into the ring, and in this way we would make total of 16 double crochet stitches into the ring, including first 3 chains. So I have made 16 double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Our first round is completed. For the second one, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Then make 2 more chains. Now make a double crochet into the same chain 3 where we have made our slip stitch. This is called as V-stitch. Now skip one double crochet stitch and into the second one make a double crochet, then make 2 chains, make another double crochet into the same double crochet stitch. This is our second V-stitch. Now again skip one double crochet stitch, go into the second one and make a double crochet, then chain 2 and a double crochet into it. Skip one double crochet stitch, make a V-stitch into the second one, making double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet. In this way we would complete this second round, making V-stitch in every second double crochet stitch by skipping one. So I have made all V-stitches of this round. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Second round is completed. In the third round we would make shell stitch. So first of all make a slip stitch into this chain 2 space because we would work into this chain 2 space. Now make 3 chains and make a double crochet into this chain 2. Now we have 2 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Make 2 chains, then make a double crochet into the same chain 2 space, make another double crochet into the same chain 2 space again. This is our shell stitch. Now work into the next chain 2 space of V-stitch, make a double crochet, then double crochet 2, chain 2, double crochet, and then second double crochet stitch to make a shell stitch. Now into the next chain 2 space of V-stitch, make 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2, and then again 2 double crochet stitches to make a shell stitch. So repeat the process and complete this third round of shell stitches. I have made all shell stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain, because we have to work into the chain 2 space. So make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch and then into the chain 2 space. Now we would start our fourth round. So make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Make 2 double crochet stitches. Now we have 3 double crochet stitches. Make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet stitches into this same chain 2 space. So in this shell stitch we would make 3 double crochet stitches. Now go into the next chain 2 space of shell and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Then make 2 chains and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. So just repeat the process of making 3 double crochet shell stitch and complete this round. So I have made all shells for this round. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain, then make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch after chain 3, then into the third one. Now make a slip stitch into the chain 2 space, because we have to work into this chain 2 space. For the next round make 3 chains, make double crochet 2 including chain 3, then make double crochet 3 and make double crochet 4 into this chain 2 space. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4 into this same chain 2 space. So this round of shell contains 4 double crochet stitches. Now into the next chain 2 space make another shell, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, make 2 chains and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4. So just complete this last round of shell stitch. At the end make a slip stitch into the third chain and then pull the yarn, cut it and remove the extra yarn strand. Now use a tapestry needle to weave this yarn end at the back side of our shell stitch coaster. Make a knot like this way first. Our stitches would not get loose this way, and then weave the yarn end in some backside stitches of shell stitch. cut the starting and ending extra yarn tails with the help of cutter, and our beginner friendly coaster is ready. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. So if you like it, don't forget to give it big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.